So all I got to do right now is put this in place. Everything fits nice, and now we just hammer this over. Hey there, good morning. Welcome to Southern Iowa Luddite. Today's project is pretty simple, but it's a good one. So last fall on Facebook Marketplace, I got a lot of pallet racking with wire rack decks, but they were all mismatched and got them cheap. Nothing really goes together, but what I need to do is I need to modify this so I can use it. Pretty easy to do. All I'm going to do is get an inside measurement here, which I've already taken. Inside to inside rail happens to be 39 and an eighth inches. And we're going to custom modify this just with a few simple tools. And you too can get some really affordable pallet rack and decking this way. Thanks for joining. Let's get to it. And there you have it. Nice rough end cut. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to take it on down, take a hammer, fold it in, instant pallet rack decking on the cheap. So all I got to do right now is put this in place. Everything fits nice, and now we just hammer this over. Okay, there you go. What'd that take? Maybe 5 minutes. 100 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. 2 easy tools. You got a cutting wheel, you got a sawzall, instant pallet racking, ready to go. And as I always say, get it done with what you got. See ya.